In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge contacts in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Contacts up top, and you want to click on All Contacts. In here, you want to scroll down and of course find the contacts you want to merge. So I'm just going to scroll here and I'm going to find Instant How To, which I created for this purpose over here. There we go, here it is. And you want to click on it, the check mark next to it. And now if that's the one you want to merge, that's cool. But if you want to merge multiple, so you could like select multiple, for example, you can do that too. Now I'm just going to go and merge this one, for example, and I'm going to click on the merge button up top. And now we have to select into which you want to merge. So an existing one has to be selected. I'm going to go with Luna Cafe and I'm going to click on merge. Now, as you can see, you have to confirm it. Click on confirm merge. And there we go. Instant How To has been merged with Luna Cafe. You can do that with multiple as well. So if I click on a few of them over here, merge, and I can just go ahead and type in again the name over here, for example, Luna. There we go, merge, and I can merge 3 of them at once into a different one I have, okay? So that's essentially how to merge contacts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.